we need to not have it fly through the whole house, okay?
Moby doesn't mind. Look, Moby's,
No, I need to get in there and open that window and take the screen out, okay?
Oh, don't poop everywhere, though.
Well, that's why I need to get it out of the house, so look out. Okay, hold on, Bird. Just calm down.
What about a net? Maybe we can get a net.
No, that'll hurt it. Just hold on, Bird. Hold on. We're gonna get you out of here, okay?
How you can pop the screen out?
Yes, I'm gonna take the screen out.
I hope it hasn't eaten anything runny.
Oh, okay, just a minute, mister. Okay, all right, just relax. We're gonna get the window open. I know, you're very stressed out. I know, just relax.
Where'd it go?
It's right over here on the speakers. All right, come on, Bird. Let's go.
All right, it's gone.
Is it flying?